Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Itzol and I started this channel about almost a month ago. This channel is about all things home organization. Today I will be doing a pantry transformation, which I will be showing you right here. For the audio in advance. My phone is a bit old and I am recording on my phone, so if you've noticed, sometimes the volume goes down and then up randomly, so yeah, sorry about that guys. Okay, so now everything is out, as you can see, and the next thing is to clean everything. By usual, if you've watched my other videos, you know that I like to take everything out and then clean the space. It's kind of like the first step to everything. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. This is everything that I took out. It's honestly a lot, like a lot, but I'm just gonna go ahead and go through every single thing and figure out what's going back in, see if anything is expired. And at the same time, I will be categorizing everything just so that it's a little bit easier for me to put back on the shelf. So this is what we're working with as of right now. These are the first items that I'm gonna go ahead and put back on the shelf. And then same thing right here. I try to categorize things a little bit. watching my video. Go ahead and give it a like. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video in which I will be showing you how I create my own labels, and I will be labeling all my spices and also all of these. Here, ready?
Take one.
You ready? Okay. High or hay?
Both.
I'm
It's about to be 9. By the time we take everything, I was gonna be like 11.
I'll just do it by myself tomorrow.
No, this is perfect background. Right.
I'm not. I'm not.
All you have to say is hi, welcome back to my channel.
Okay. Is it on or not?
Yes.
How about you stand like right here so I pretend I'm talking to you? Go. Okay. You're ready? Am I up straight?
Stand up straight.
I can't anymore. Here you go. Hey guys. Hey guys, welcome back. Oh, my lip got stuck. Okay, one more time. One more time. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I say anything, no, it's hella fast, huh? I need to relax. I'm like, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. What are my parents are watching me?